Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. My name is Ania and today I'm going to be sharing with you my updated hair care routine. So I am doing this video because it's been requested by a few of you, and thank you so much for taking an interest and finding my hair nice good enough to actually want to know what it is that I do to care for it. But I do want to give you a few tips that I feel like have definitely worked for me in the past and are the reason why I continue to do them now. So the first one is I only wash my hair once a week. You might not love the way your hair looks at the on day 5-6. You definitely will enjoy the way your hair feels after you've washed it, and you feel how strong and how nourished it has been by not having it be completely stripped of all of its natural oils day after day, week after week. So that's definitely tip number one, and what I feel has definitely helped my hair out tremendously over the years. So the shampoo that I use, shampoo and conditioner, are Dove. I love the Dove Intense Moisture line. I think it works wonderful. I use both the shampoo and conditioner because it goes really well with my hair. I think it definitely benefits the type of hair that I have. And on that note, I'll let you know that my hair is a lot. I do have a lot of hair, and my hair is naturally curly and it's very thick. So I like the Intense Moisture line from Dove because it gives my hair that extra nourishment every single time I go ahead and wash it. To wash my hair, I lather it up twice, and after I've rinsed out all of the shampoo, I then go in with conditioning, and I give myself quite a bit of conditioner and leave it to coat all of my hair while I do everything else that I am going to do in the shower. So I give myself a little bit of extra time to do a few extra things that I normally wouldn't do on a day-to-day basis, and I use the opportunity of giving myself a little bit extra time to leave everything, leave that conditioning treatment or the regular conditioning in my hair throughout the rest of that time to just soak up a little bit more of that treatment. So after I've done that, and I usually do spend, I would say maybe about close to 10 minutes doing everything else. After that, I just rinse everything out and make sure that all of the product is out of my hair. I use a special towel to dry my hair. I'm going to link it below, and I'll tell you this towel has definitely been a game changer. Number one, it is super absorbent. The material is amazing. It really does get out all of the actual wetness from the hair, and it just leaves your hair nice and damp. So I do wait probably around half an hour, 45 minutes after I've had the towel in to just take everything out. And by the way, this towel, you don't really need to do too much to your hair to get it to soak out all of the moisture. It just automatically just gets attracted to it and sucks it out. So that's another great thing, because I feel like my hair is a lot smoother when I don't have to go in with a towel and really, kind of roughen it up. After I've had about half an hour, 40 minutes to let my hair kind of air dry a little bit, I go back and blow dry my hair. The blow dryer that I use is Baby Bliss brand, and it's great. My blow dryer that I had when I filmed my other video of how to blow dry curly hair straight, that blow dryer fell and broke. I wanted to cry, and I thought I will never be able to find a blow dryer as good as that one. That blow dryer I actually got from a friend who used to work at a hair salon, so it was a special hair salon blow dryer, and I didn't have any connections like that at this time, so I thought, okay, well, I'm gonna have to just deal with puffy hair for the rest of my life. But I didn't, because I spoke to my husband about this. He did some research and actually found this blow dryer great reviews. Honestly, it's so much better than the old one. a lot better. And I think that, you know, I've gotten really good use out of it, and I do think the life of it is definitely in good shape. So I definitely would recommend this one for sure, and I think it's great for really thick curly hair to get it, you know, as straight as I have it right now and even straighter. And I wish that you could feel how soft my hair is after using the actual products that I use, just the shampoo and conditioner, and then blow drying it straight with just my regular round brush and the blow dryer. So it's really, you know, like these steps, while they're simple and minimal, I think that they definitely have worked for me over the years, and it's proven, you know, effective enough that I want to continue doing it this way. One of the things that I didn't mention, right after I take out the towel from my head, I actually do brush it out with a wet brush. And I do say a wet brush. I know that there's a brand that's called wet brushes, but I don't use that. I use something different. I bought it at Forever 21 once, and it's a dupe for the wet brushes. So if you can get your hands on a wet brush or something similar to it, definitely I would recommend that as well. So I mentioned this briefly, but I do want to reiterate that I don't use any other products. I don't use anything that will weigh my hair down at all. I just simply let it be. And as far as cutting my hair is concerned, I actually don't do that often. I would say that probably once a year is how often I cut my hair. I know it's recommended to do it a lot more than that, but that's around the time that I do it. Before, when I had layers in my hair, I actually would do it myself, and you know, saved a lot of money that way. And honestly, whenever I've gone to go get my hair done, it's been pretty rare that I find somebody that actually knows how to do and handle my hair. So just doing it myself at home, I avoid myself a whole bunch of aggravation and not having to be, you know, paying for something I really don't like. So now that I do have it all one length, it's a little bit easier for somebody else to do it, not for myself, because I really cannot get in there and do a really good job of cutting it straight through. So I have asked Santiago to cut my hair in the past, just a blunt cut, and I've ended up with a hole in my sweater. So it makes for a really nice and funny experience, but not a really good haircut. So that is pretty much all I have to say about my hair care routine. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope that you have gained some ideas as to what you can do differently to treat your hair, and hopefully it works out as good as it's worked out for me, for you too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!